The Huawei P20 Pro. Crazy specs on this one, guys. There's 3 cameras on the back alone. And let's get right to unboxing it. Now, usually I'm not a huge Huawei fan. This one does have some pretty excellent specs on it. Great reviews for it. Really, guys, a lot of people are saying it's up there with the Sony Xperia XZ2, the Samsung Galaxy S9. So I'm definitely excited to check it out. And a look at the outside of the box first. As you guys see with the Huawei logo right there. And right there. So Huawei always uses a lot of white and gold on the boxes. More logos there. And you guys get the point. Pretty basic, simple white box, but nonetheless pretty nice looking. And some specs at the bottom there that we will cover in a few seconds. Alright guys, let's go and unbox it. Now, Huawei's really having a pretty tough time breaking into the United States market. There's a lot of legal issues kind of being blocked by lawmakers. It's actually kind of hard to... Alright, there we go. Alright, so right on top is the phone. And taking a look at that in a few seconds. And actually not sure what that is. But it doesn't look that important. SIM card ejector, and looks like... Oh, nice, we do have a case with this. So I'll check that out as well. And some manuals. Let's see, is this like a... This might be like a poster. Nope, never mind. Alright, and we have USB Type-C. A quick charge wall adapter. And you guys know what this means, no headphone jack. At least it shipped a converter with it, but still pretty disappointing, no headphone jack on it. But it is pretty nice you do get some headphones with it. Yeah, I mean, these are really Apple, pretty blatant Apple copy here, I think. But let's go and check them out. Okay, cool. So these are actually USB Type-C, so it's good that we include this type of version of it. Alright guys, let's go and check out the phone. Definitely pretty nice looking. Well, yeah, this is pretty lightweight. Definitely a lot lighter weight than the Sony Xperia XZ2. But, of course, guys, we'll have a full comparison of those two. And a quick look at the case as well. So, of course, it's pretty cheap, but it is free. So yeah guys, not really going to protect your phone if you drop it, but in terms of scratch and stuff, it should be pretty good. Let's go and see if we have any power. Yep, we do. And I'm actually filming this video right now with the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, so let me know in the comment section what y'all think of the quality on it. Usually I film all these videos with the Sony Xperia. Alright guys, so I'm going to put my info, I'll be back in a few seconds. Loving the design of this phone guys, it's definitely the best for any Huawei phone out there. And that includes the Huawei P10 Plus and the Mate 10. And just a quick look at the back there. Definitely a beautiful design here on the P20 Pro, and we'll have full comparisons in the future. Now, really guys, the only thing I don't like about the design is this notch on the front. Definitely not a fan of that, but it is better than one of the iPhone at least. But aside from the notch, it's a pretty amazing job here for the bezels. And the fingerprint scanner is actually on the front right there, which is extremely rare for a phone with small bezels like this. Now the phone also has a 6.1-inch screen display, it's 1080p. And on the front you have a 20MP camera on it. Excuse me guys, actually 24MP camera, which is pretty crazy for front facing. And on the back you have 3 cameras here at 40, 20, and 8MP. And again guys, beautiful glass design on this. Pretty thin, lightweight, very comfortable to hold. The phone also has 120GB internal storage and microSD card support, a pretty massive 4,000 capacity battery. The chipset is a Kirin 970, same as the Mate 10, but you do have 6GB of RAM on it. The phone is waterproof IP67, you do have USB Type-C at the bottom there. And once again guys, unfortunately no headphone jack on it. But yeah guys, overall definitely loving the design. Aside from the notch there, everything else about it is great. So first thoughts on this guys, I mean ridiculous specs, 4,000 capacity battery, 3 cameras on the back, one of them is 40MP. And even the front camera, I mean 24MP for front camera is pretty insane. Now of course you actually have to test out the phone, see how good it is in actual use. But yeah, first thoughts, loving the phone, loving the design of it, and I am definitely impressed with it. Alright everyone, so thanks for watching, subscribe for more. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see next, if you have any questions, and I'll see you next video.